Induced mania. How does the bully, in other words, succeed here in Seattle, Washington? Simply with their behavior and correct choice of words. No matter pandemic or drug endemic, epidemic. They use rituals. They use a system of misdirection and confusing problem solving, causing hysteria, causing an emotion, causing time to pass slowly, quick, and very precise. And they achieve their goal with the wisdom they have inherently in their soul. And they call people haters and racists and stupid folks and people who need to get well again now. They pay attention to the time now. They see the numbers on the clock. They hear the footsteps, and they see the faces on the camera screens they watch in their command center room filled with superhero pictures, enclosed with glass, with paperwork everywhere. They consider the shadow a source of distress and a word called the self. They talk about what's inside of the mind, and they search wholeheartedly to find the mental point of departure, and they begin violently destroying all of the bad stuff. They wait for the attention to blink. They focus, they concentrate, and then they sip on some fresh Starbucks tea. They watch the wind blow on the fabric on the wall. They hear the voices talk low. And they insist The man who says he sees ghosts needs to go to their hospital called Western State. The person who behaves incorrectly and raises a hand in the air and says, "I don't want to be a slave anymore," and would like to die instead now, has gone too far and needs to go to Fairfax Hospital over east. Or maybe down south, or maybe that old raggedy place by where the ghosts sleep, where they used to electrocute, where they used to haunt and stimulate as rewards. The ghost comes in from the dark night and stares right next to my face on the screen at the viewer. And the person watching this video now can't believe their eyes. Don't trust their ears. And say, "Amen," with no remorse. No compassion. Driving fast on the freeway like it's a race track. Shutting the city down, shutting the whole planet off. Deciding now would be a good time to really teach people and folks like me how to live now. How to have the privilege and the ability to breathe out of lungs with blood being pumped from the heart to the brain. Controlling the mind and keeping the mental part of the body confused. Disturbed and incoherent. I let the ghost look at the camera. And the ghost turns away and stares off now.